signal again. Ridiculous. Okay, so TV didn't work. Let's try the computer. Ridiculous. Let's see. Move on. Ooh, Buffalo Soldier. Come on. Click, 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 click. What? Why won't it work? Ridiculous. Really? If I had a Google TV, would I have these problems? No. It'd be more like this.